What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey girl. This is a video for my girls who don't like the glue, don't like the lace, just don't have time for it at all. This video is definitely for you. So I'm gonna need y'all to sit around and check it out. And I promise y'all, it won't be long. So for this video, we already know it's our girl with the When She Right. And LUVME HAIR is right so far. She hasn't done me wrong. So this is a wig from my favorite girl. Remember I told y'all, no lace, no glues, minimal time, beginner friendly, no effort. Okay, I lied. Just a little bit of effort. Just a little. This is the throw on and go Shaggy Funmi, somewhere in there. I don't know. What is it? Funmi. Y'all get the gist. Funmi. Funmi, whatever. This is her. This is her curl in all her glory. First things first, we're gonna check out the inside. And with this inside, we have no lace, so we don't need any glue. We just have our adjustable bands and our combs, and of course our curls. We don't even have any lace at the top. Get into these curls and look how fluffy they are. These curls are really beautiful. I love a curly wig. I just love a curly wig. I adore a curly wig. But to show you guys how easy this is to do, just take your adjustable band. You see, I'm not even gonna put on a cap in this video. But take your adjustable band, make sure you always adjust it to make sure that on both ends it is fitting your head snug, so we don't want her to move or go. Take our straps, adjust it, like so. Make sure there is no hair in the way. So you kind of like have to flip it inside out to make sure that it's giving what it's supposed to give. Put her behind whatever you have going on back here. Flip her down. And that is it. That is all. For beginners. Now we're going to step it up just a little bit. So as you can see, I did place a little bit of water on her. I sprayed her with a little bit of water just to see what she is giving, see how my curls are looking. But we want to adjust her a little bit more because she has to be positioned in a certain way to get a certain look that we are going for. If you like this shaggy look, which this shaggy look is good for any season, make sure this part, this little knot part, is on the top of your hair so that when she does dry after you have sprayed her, or even if you shampoo her and set her out, that it is evenly proportionate on your head. Because you don't want no lopsided. You don't want something that's lopsided. You don't want that. So with that, we're gonna just sit here and see how we want our wig, see how we want it to frame our face. As you can see, for me, my bangs are a little too long. But the curls are really beautiful and soft. This wig is soft. This wig is so soft. So what I will do now, one moment, I'm going to go in with a razor comb and I'm just going to shape out my bangs because they are a little too long for me. If you are scared of the cut, just pull your wig back a little bit. You can do this as well and it still looks just as good. Just make sure you have a little extra hold, because especially for my girls with hair, make sure your combs are in your hair if you do that. That way your wig won't slide around as much. You know, see, it won't slide. You can shake her around and do all those great things and she's not going to go anywhere. But I will get off camera for a little bit. I'm gonna let her dry fully so we can see her full potential. I was gonna cut her, so I will show you this part. I don't think I really want to cut in depth, so I'll just explain to you guys how I do my cuts if I were to cut a bang. So as a matter of fact, let me just pull her back down and then we'll do that. So I kind of like the little knot part that they have up here, kind of right here, not necessarily all the way at the top, kind of if you have a cow's lick, you know, that's where I would put that little knot thing there. But this is definitely giving. Take your razor comb, and what you will do is just see how your face is framed. Look at how your face is framed. If you feel as though it is a little too long in areas, you can just cut it off. Now be careful with cutting, because what you cut, you cannot get back. Remember that. What you cut off, you cannot get back. So you have to be careful and very purposeful in what you're doing. So what I would do if my bangs were a little bit longer, I would twist it like this, just in a little, kind of just go in like a little merry-go-round, and then take my razor comb, go underneath, and chop it off like that. I would keep doing this until, or I would pull it out first. Pull it out to see where it is going on your eyes. And just remember, with wet hair, it is always a little bit longer versus when it is dry, it'll get a little bit of shrinkage. So if you feel as though your hair is, you want your hair to be somewhere in here, not any higher than this, then stop here, because when it dries, it's going to shrink just a little bit. That's anything. When it's wet, it's elongated. The elasticity in it is a little bit more. But once it dries, it'll be up more. So I'm going to let this dry just a little bit. I hope I'm not confusing y'all. I'm going to let this dry just a little bit, and then I'll come back to show you guys exactly what I was talking about. For my girls who don't have time to let it dry fully, get you a blow dryer with a diffuser on it and just push to scrunch up your curls just a little bit. You don't have to go in extremely heavy. If you would like a little bit of shininess or softness to it, get you a little bit of oil. Like I say always, BioSilk is one of my favorite oils. LUVME Hair also has oils on theirs that are really good for wigs, with wigs, and they smell really great. Unfortunately, I don't have that here. And they also have a coconut renewal rehydration spray that also makes your wigs nice and shiny, nice and soft, to rejuvenate the curls once they get a little bit of dried out. But it also provides a little bit of oil in there so that the moisture can be in your wigs as well. So again, I'm going to go off camera, let her dry, and then I'm going to come back because I have some goodies to tell y'all about. And we are back. We are back. Do you see how a little fluffier she has gotten? If you would like to get her a little bit fluffier, just run your hands through her just a little bit. Like, flatten her out. The thing about this wig is it is fun. I like this wig because this is a fun wig. This is a wig that you can really play with to get different kind of looks, different kind of styles. If you like big hair, you can get it bigger. The looks are endless. The looks are endless. But the best thing about this wig right now is that it is on LUVME Hair's Black Friday deal for a sale. Y'all know I love a deal, and I'm gonna bring you a deal. So right for the Black Friday exclusive, this is part of their whole set of wigs that they are putting on sale right now for Black Friday. I don't know how long this sale is gonna last, but I just know y'all need to get on it now, especially if you are buying for a friend of a friend or a friend, your family, your girlfriend, you know, whoever. But right now this wig is 30% off. You hear that? 30% off. 30% off. You can't beat that. That is one of their biggest coupons, codes that they give, or biggest discounts that they give when it comes to giving discounts for wigs. Y'all know sometimes you get a little 10 here, you get a little sprinkle of 20 there, but 30% off. Y'all hear me? Did y'all hear that correctly? 30% off. You can possibly get up to 70% off depending which wig you choose. So I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead, click the link right now, go catch this deal ASAP, because baby, it's not gonna last long. Black Friday is Black Friday. Black Friday come in, she do her little cutesy stuff, and then she's out. So make sure y'all go ahead, don't waste no time, catch a deal, because Miss Girl is doing her big one. I love a shaggy look. I love a cute little shaggy fringy look. Can't go wrong with one. And I know the girls be saying that people don't like to show the back of their wig, but baby, I have no problem, because like I said, Miss Girl is full. Okay. Full. Now they say this is a 10-inch. If you want to be on the safe side, if the option is available, I would say get a 12. Because I'm thinking, typically when I get a 12-inch wig, especially curly, this is where she hits. So to be on the safe side, they say this is a 10. If you want to risk it, go ahead, be my guest. Just listen to my best guess. Get a 12 if it's available. Maybe even a 14, so that way you can play with the length a little bit if you want it to hit right here, because I know sometimes the 10s be a little bit, and we don't want that. If that's the look you're going for, then go for it. But as far as this goes, I would suggest getting a 12. That is it. That is all from my video. As you can hear, my voice is not lasting too long. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see y'all later.